game. It's a rich thing.
Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is being sponsored by FYTOO. For those of you that do not know, FYTOO is actually an eyeglass company that sells prescription glasses and then also sunglasses. And they were kind enough to send me over 4 pairs of glasses, and which I will be trying on for you today. And of course, I will have everything that is still currently in stock listed and linked below in my description box. I could never, ever, ever officially start this video off without thanking everyone for being a part of this incredible YouTube journey. Thank you so much. But other than that, though, you guys, let's just dive right into this FYTOO eyeglass wear review. Okay, you guys, so before I actually try on the glasses, I just want to show you what the actual FYTOO package came with. So here we go. So it actually arrived in this really nice box. I like the color of this box. We've got the box, FYTOO, and then also too, each pair of glasses came in this very nice, I'm not sure what kind of material this is, but it's like a glass pouch. I mean, it came so protected. When I tell you the glasses itself, it had like this little plastic type kind of material coating over the lenses so the lenses wouldn't be scratched. And then it even also came inside of like a separate bag, like a separate actual bag inside of this like actual glassware pouch. So FYTOO 10 out of the 10 with like just the quality like of the materials from the packaging of it to making sure that it did arrive to me safely. 10 out of a 10, you guys. 10 out of a 10. And then also too, the order came with this really nice lens cloth, FYTOO. And then it also came with this device. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I do believe this device is used to tighten your glasses. I think it's meant to like tighten your glasses or maybe even loosen your glasses if they're like a little too tight. So basically, it's like you're using this tool to get the glasses to conform to your face, if I'm not mistaken, but don't quote me on that. And I love the fact that they put it on a keychain. So it's easy for you to transport with you. I mean, you could easily throw this inside of your purse, your bag, your keychain, you guys. And then also too, another item they included was this ruler. And what this ruler is, you guys, it's like back and front. It's a PD ruler. And what it's meant to do, it's like meant to measure your pupils, your left pupil and your right pupil, so that if you are a person that wears prescription eyeglasses like myself, at least you'll be able to make sure that the medication is matched perfectly in each of your glasses, like the pairs of glasses that you receive, you guys. So I just thought that it was so nice that they went over beyond the call of customer service to include these little extra things. But you guys, enough with me rambling because I know I can be a little bit long winded. Let's get ahead and dive right into the actual glassware review. So, you guys, this first pair of glasses are these, and they are called Cassandra, you guys. I absolutely love these. I love the fact, obviously, of course, they're black. And if you don't know Sable, Sable loves the color black. Like, I've always just been a neutral color type kind of girl. But I love these. I love the fact that they are also wide rimmed and they definitely frame the face like very, very nicely, you guys. I love it. And I can definitely say this is my first time ever ordering like glasses like online, because typically I've always just been the type of person after having like my annual eye examination, I'll literally just take the prescription with me and just go elsewhere to purchase a pair of glasses. But when I tell you, FYTOO reaching out to me needing new glasses anyways for the year of 2024, it just worked out perfectly. Like, it worked out perfectly to where I went ahead, got my eye examination done for this year, sent FYTOO my actual eyeglass prescription, and FYTOO put my prescription in all 4 pairs of my glasses. And when I tell you, you guys, I can literally see everything. Like, everything. Because if you don't know Sable, Sable is blind and she needs her glasses, you guys. But yes, this is the first pair of glasses. Okay, you guys, so for this second pair of glasses, these are called Sol. Oh my goodness, you guys. I've always been into like this type of print. This is actually referred to as being tortoise shell, and it did not disappoint. Once again, it's actually similar to the very first pair that I showed you, which was Cassandra, but it's just in a different color. These are stunning, you guys. And then they are also too like the wide frame rims to where it won't be like restricted as far as like pressing down on your skin and creating indentions. But I absolutely love these, you guys. But yes, this is the second pair of eyeglasses. And once again, these are called Sol in the color tortoiseshell. Okay, you guys, so for this next pair of glasses, these are called Bradley and the color is transparent. This is definitely a different look for me, you guys. I would definitely have to say this is stepping way outside of my comfort zone. I do love like how these are just so like clear. I've never had a pair of glasses like this like ever before. And I'm so sorry that I'm just getting close up to the camera, you guys. But oh my gosh, they're just so different to me. I love the fact that they are kind of like that cat eye type kind of look. And it's definitely giving me different. Different is all that I can say right now. But yes, you guys, I love these. These are definitely cute. Like I said, definitely out of my comfort zone. Obviously, these aren't like wide rimmed, but I do still like the fact that they're not pressing at all, like against my skin to make those indentions. And they're very, very comfortable, you guys. But yes, this is the third pair of glasses. Once again, you guys, it's referred to as Bradley in the color transparent. Okay, you guys, so this is the fourth and final pair of glasses. And I can definitely say, once again, way, way, way out of my comfort zone, stepping outside of the box, you guys. But I do like the style. Very different, very different. Fun fact, too, you guys, about these particular glasses, these are actually glasses that can be worn literally like three different ways. And I'm about to show you exactly what I mean. So we have it to where it's just this clear type kind of eyeglass look. Once again, it's cute, it's sleek, it's not wide rim, but I do love the fact that it's not to where the glasses are pressed against my face to make indentions. Because if you know, like if you know that you've been wearing glasses like for a very long time, or even maybe just for a short period of time, you have to make sure that you're getting glasses that are going to be able to correctly conform to your face, you guys. But, anyways, what I mean by being able to wear these glasses three different ways, we have it to where we have the clear glasses, and then, oh, check this out, you guys. So these glasses actually come with two other tongue tie, you guys, two other different colors. We have this black pair where literally you can just clip them onto the glasses, and I'm going to show you in a minute. You guys, it can be worn like black, like this, which I think would really look nice as a pair of sunglasses. And then we also have it to where it's like this yellow color, you guys. Like, this is really nice. So we've got like yellow, black, and then also two clear. So I'm going to demonstrate you guys. So with the black pair, and then basically all you're doing is just clipping it onto the front of the glasses. Literally, you guys. Literally. You just clip it, and here they are in black, you guys. Is that not neat? Oh my gosh. I have never had prescription sunglasses, you guys. And I'm telling you, I can literally see everything, like everything, you guys. That's the mind blowing thing to me. It's just like, wow. Like, I went from wearing just a pair of like regular glasses, and now I literally shifted them over to a pair of sunglasses, you guys. Is that not neat? Is that not neat? Okay, you guys, so I want to demonstrate and show you how they look with the yellow pair. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow. Oh my goodness. I'm feeling like very groovy, like back in the 70s, like the hippie vibes. You guys, stunning. Definitely different, definitely out of my comfort zone. Everything I will say, I can see everything. I can see everything. Everything is just yellow. But you guys, are these not a showstopper? Fido, you did that. 10 out of a 10. I am so impressed, you guys. Look at these. Look at these, you guys. And then, oh, I wanted to tell you before I forget, and I do apologize, I am looking down at my phone. I wanted to make sure that I get the name correct with these particular pair if you are interested. They are called Steven. So, Steven is the name of these glasses, and it says that they come in the color black. But do note, which they do, you guys, they do come in black, but do note you are going to get the yellow lenses to where you can put over them, and then also to the clear lenses. But yes, you guys, this is the fourth and final pair of glasses. And once again, these are Steven. Thank you so much for watching today's sponsored video by FYTOO. FYTOO, once again, thank you so much. It was an incredible honor being able to work with you guys. Like I mentioned before earlier, everything that is currently still in stock will be listed and linked below in my description box. Also, too, you guys, wanted to let you know, FYTOO was kind enough to provide me with a 15% off discount. That discount code will also, too, be linked and listed in my description box, and it's Sable15. So you're able to get 15% off of your entire purchase. Please like, subscribe, comment, and until next week, bye.